Look at that. Is she going to take it all the way to win it? Look how she's struggling. Look how strong it is. Look how small it is compared to the little seed. Compared to the view. Let's take a look from really far. Look how small it is. That's the wildlife of an ant. Yeah, I'll try to help it a bit. Take it to the good way. Yes, you can do it. You're a winner. You're strong. She won't give up. She's like a marathon runner. All those smaller ants, they don't come to help her. I don't know why. Here's a little one. Let's see if it would give it a hand. Will it? It only looks like she wants to disturb her friend. Come on, Auntie. You can do it. Yes. You don't have much more to take it. That's it for now. Yep, I really hope she'll make it and build her own home with this little seed. See you later.